Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best folding exercise bikes perfect for home workouts without sacrificing space. Whether you're a beginner, fitness enthusiast, or just looking to stay active, we've got something for everyone. Let's jump in. At number 5, we have the Sinuode folding exercise bike. The Sinuode folding exercise bike is designed for versatility and convenience, making it suitable for a wide range of users, from seniors to fitness enthusiasts. Here's a detailed look at its advantages and drawbacks. Pros: versatile resistance levels. With 16 levels of resistance available, this bike can accommodate users of all fitness levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. The senior-friendly resistance knob allows for easy adjustments with minimal effort, making it accessible for older adults and those with limited hand strength. Adjustable features: the bike includes an adjustable seat with 7 height settings and a customizable backrest, allowing users to find the perfect fit for their body type. The large, cushioned seat enhances comfort during longer workout sessions, while the backrest helps alleviate discomfort during leg exercises. Multifunctional exercise options: the 3-in-1 design enables users to work out in 3 modes: upright, recumbent, and with resistance bands. This feature makes it a comprehensive home fitness solution, targeting multiple muscle groups for a full-body workout. Built-in monitoring: the LCD monitor tracks essential workout metrics such as time, count, distance, speed, calories burned, and heart rate. Users can set training goals, making it easier to stay motivated and track progress. Compact and portable: when not in use, the bike can be folded to save up to 70% of its space, making it ideal for those with limited room. Additionally, the inclusion of transportation wheels allows for easy movement and storage. Cons: resistance band durability. Depending on the usage frequency and intensity, some users might question the long-term durability of the resistance bands, particularly if subjected to heavy use. The Sinuode folding exercise bike offers an excellent balance of features for users looking for an efficient home workout solution. Its adjustable settings, multifunctional capabilities, and compact design make it an appealing option for a wide range of fitness enthusiasts. Next up, at number 4, we have the Yosuda folding exercise bike. The Yosuda folding exercise bike offers a versatile and convenient solution for home workouts, combining multiple exercise modes and user-friendly features. Here's a detailed breakdown of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your fitness needs. Pros: 5-in-1 versatility. The Yosuda bike serves as an upright bike, semi-recumbent bike, rowing machine, and includes resistance bands, effectively transforming it into a mini home gym. This multifunctionality allows users to perform a variety of workouts, making it suitable for different fitness goals. Adjustable resistance levels: with 16 levels of resistance, this bike caters to all fitness levels, from beginners to seasoned athletes. Users can tailor their workouts, ranging from muscle relaxation to high-intensity fat-burning sessions, ensuring an effective workout for everyone. Ultra-quiet operation. The hyper-quiet magnetic drive system employs patent technology to maintain noise levels as low as 10 dB, making it ideal for home environments. You can work out without disturbing others, allowing for an uninterrupted fitness routine while watching TV or sleeping. Quick assembly. The bike is designed for easy setup, requiring only about 20 minutes to assemble. Most screws and washers are pre-assembled, making it user-friendly for those who may not be handy with tools. High weight capacity: with a 3.3 ohms capacity, the Yosuda bike features a reinforced seat support structure and a heavy-duty steel frame, ensuring stability and security during use. This makes it accessible to a wide range of users. Comfortable design. The oversized, padded seat and adjustable back cushion enhance user comfort, allowing for extended workout sessions. The seat height is adjustable with 8 settings, accommodating users from 4'9" to 6'5", ensuring a personalized fit. Space-saving storage. The bike can be fully folded for minimal storage space, making it ideal for small homes or apartments. It also features wheels for easy mobility, allowing you to store it conveniently when not in use. Smart features. Equipped with a phone holder and Bluetooth connectivity, users can enjoy online workout sessions while tracking their performance metrics such as time, speed, distance, calories burned. odometer, and pulse via the LCD monitor. Cons: stability during high-intensity workouts. Although the bike supports a significant weight capacity, users engaging in very intense workouts might find it less stable compared to more expensive, dedicated machines. This could affect performance during rigorous training sessions. The Yosuda folding exercise bike stands out as a versatile and user-friendly option for home fitness enthusiasts. Its multifunctional capabilities, quiet operation, and comfortable design make it suitable for a wide range of users. Taking the third spot is the Hapbear folding exercise bike. The Hapbear folding exercise bike is designed to offer a versatile workout experience in the comfort of your home. With its combination of features and functionalities, it aims to meet the diverse fitness needs of users. Here's an in-depth look at the pros and cons of this exercise bike. Pros: 3-in-1 versatility. The bike offers 3 exercise modes: upright, recumbent, and folding. This versatility allows users to engage in different workouts, targeting various muscle groups effectively. Additionally, the included hand resistance bands enhance the ability to work both upper and lower body simultaneously. Sturdy construction with a stable triangle structure. The bike can support users weighing up to 300 pounds, ensuring safety and stability during workouts. This robust construction makes it suitable for a wide range of users. Multifunctional LCD monitor. The large-sized LCD display tracks essential metrics such as distance, calories burned, pulse, time, speed, and odometer readings. This real-time feedback helps users monitor their progress and adjust their workouts accordingly. The built-in iPad holder adds convenience for those who enjoy following along with videos or workouts. Adjustable magnetic resistance. The bike features 8 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, providing a smooth and quiet workout experience. The silent operation ensures that users can exercise without disturbing others, making it ideal for home environments. Comfortable design. The oversized seat cushion offers ample support and comfort during workouts. The design aims to enhance the home fitness experience, allowing users to exercise for longer periods without discomfort. Additionally, the anti-slip pedals accommodate users with shoe sizes up to 13, ensuring a secure grip during pedaling. Cons: limited resistance levels. While the 8 levels of resistance cater to various fitness levels, more advanced users may find that the top resistance level does not provide enough challenge for high-intensity workouts, potentially limiting its appeal to serious athletes. The Hapbear folding exercise bike provides a versatile and comfortable option for home workouts, making it a strong contender for those looking to enhance their fitness routines. With its 3-in-1 design, solid construction, and user-friendly features, it caters to a wide audience. Coming in at number 2 is the Leike X folding exercise bike. The Leike X folding exercise bike is designed to provide versatility and comfort for users looking to engage in effective home workouts. With features that cater to different fitness levels, it promises an engaging exercise experience. Here's a detailed examination of its pros and cons. Pros: 2-in-1 frame design. The bike can be used as both an upright and a recumbent exercise bike, allowing users to maximize their workout routines by engaging different muscle groups. This flexibility makes it suitable for various workout preferences and fitness goals. Customizable resistance. With 10 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, users can tailor their workouts to match their fitness levels, whether they are beginners or professional athletes. This customization helps ensure a challenging and effective exercise experience. Quiet operation. The bike is designed to operate silently thanks to its magnetron resistance system. Users can cycle without the noise typically associated with traditional exercise bikes, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. Comfortable design. The bike features a wide seat and foldable backrest, enhancing comfort during workouts. The 7 levels of adjustable seat height accommodate different user heights, ensuring a personalized fit. The pedals are designed for comfort, providing a secure grip with moderate tightness. Real-time monitoring. The HD electronic dial displays all relevant workout data in real time, allowing users to track their progress effectively. Additionally, the heart rate handrail design provides continuous monitoring of heart rate, helping users maintain their target heart rate zones during exercise. Cons: design aesthetics. While the bike's design is aesthetically pleasing, it may not offer the robustness or high-end materials that some users expect from premium exercise equipment. The Leike X folding exercise bike presents a compelling option for home fitness enthusiasts, offering flexibility, quiet operation, and real-time monitoring features. Its 2-in-1 frame design allows for a diverse range of workouts, making it suitable for various users. And finally, our top pick, the Xterra FB150 folding exercise bike. The Xterra FB150 folding exercise bike is a compact and versatile fitness machine designed to provide a comfortable and efficient workout experience. Its unique features cater to users looking to maximize their space while maintaining a high-quality exercise routine. Here's a detailed analysis of the bike's pros and cons. Pros: space-saving design. The bike features a solid X-frame foldable design, allowing it to fold down to a compact size of just 18.1 x 18.1 when not in use. This makes it ideal for those with limited space, as it can be easily stored away without taking up much room. Comfortable seating. The bike is equipped with a large and anatomically designed seat, providing ample comfort for longer workouts. Coupled with multi-position padded handlebars, users can adjust their grip for optimal comfort during various exercises. Clear LCD display. The 2x1 LCD window displays essential workout metrics such as speed, distance, time, calories burned, and pulse. This clarity helps users easily track their progress and stay motivated throughout their exercise sessions. Adjustable resistance with 8 levels of resistance. The bike allows users to easily customize their workout intensity. The resistance can be adjusted quickly using a large manual dial located just below the console, making it convenient to switch settings during exercise. Sturdy construction. The bike's frame is designed for stability, ensuring that it can support users during workouts without wobbling or compromising safety. This reliability is crucial for maintaining a focused workout experience. Cons: pedal design. Some users might prefer pedals with a larger surface area or added grip to accommodate a wider range of shoe sizes and provide more stability during intense workouts. The Xterra FB150 folding exercise bike is an excellent choice for those seeking a compact and comfortable exercise solution for home workouts. Its space-saving design, comfortable seating, and adjustable resistance make it a practical option for a variety of fitness levels.